Did you sleep well, dear?
Yes, the bed was so soft.
We have a big plan today.
What are we doing today? We want to take a test.
It is a simple DNA swab.
Will it hurt my cheek? No, it is very gentle.
Aisha is really nice.
I want to play with her.
They are doing a test.
What does a DNA test do?
It proves she is family.
I hope she is our sister.
Me too, she is very cool.
Whoa. Let us find her toys.
I am so nervous, Jack.
The kit is right here.
We must do this right.
I will call the doctor.
She is waiting inside.
Let us get the sample.
It will give us peace.
Let us go do it now.
Open your mouth wide.
Like a giant dinosaur?
Yes, just like that.
This is really easy.
All done, my sweet girl. Now we wait for news?
Yes, the lab is fast.
I hope I can stay here. Kick the ball to Layla. Here it comes, watch out. I got it, look at me. You are good at this. I played at my old home. We have a playground too. This garden is huge. We can play every day.
The kids are bonding.
It feels so natural.
What if the test is bad?
We still love her, Jack.
Yes, she is a sweet kid.
She belongs with us now.
The lab just emailed me.
Oh my, open it quickly.
The file is opening.
I cannot look, Jack.
I will read it for us.
Tell me what it says. The match is positive.
Are you totally sure?
Yes, 99%. She is my real sister.
Look at this pretty castle. It looks like your house. Our house is your house. I really hope so, Theo. I will share my dolls. You are very kind to me. Here come Mom and Dad. They look very happy.
We got the results, sweetie. What did the paper say?
You are family, Aisha.
You are my little sister.
Is it really true, Martha?
Yes, we are 99% sure.
I am never letting you go. I finally found my home. This is the best day.
We have a big sister now.
We are officially 5.
We must celebrate tonight.
I am so happy, thank you.
Let us order some food.
Welcome to the family. I love you guys so much.